Hello everyone, in the previous video we saw available variable types in Java, which is primitive type and non-primitive type. Now in this video we will see how we can take a user input to process further. Let's move on to Eclipse. I have already created one class, but I will delete it and we will create a fresh class here to understand the complete concept. So here we are creating a new and a class. So give the name user input example and click on main method and click on finish. Now a basic model of the class is ready. We can start coding inside main method. Java provides scanner class to take the user input. Scanner class is available in java.util package. So if we are using scanner class, we need to import java.util.Scanner. We need to import the util package. And then we need to create the object of scanner class. And now we want to take input. So we will use system.in to take input. Then when somebody type, he can type any string, he can type any integer, or he can type any decimal value. So scanner class provide different methods to take the value. It is simple to take string type and then convert it, because if we are taking string type, string can be a decimal value, can be a non-decimal, integer value can be a alphabetic value, can be alphanumeric value. So we can take string value as a return. I will show you how we can take integer value or decimal values. First I am taking as an integer, I am taking as a string value as an input given by the user. So string input is the variable and string is the type of variable that we had seen in the last video. And now as dot next line give the output in string format, as you can see here. Now input variable will contain the user input that is given by the user. Now we need to print it, we need to process it, and we can now process by printing it. We can do anything else as well. As of now I am printing it. I did a trial. So here you can see, like I had given Abby as the input, and then I clicked on enter and I got the output as user input is Abby. So same thing I am written here, user input is, and I am giving here the variable name for the concatenation of value, final value. So let's run it, and before that I am saving it. Now I am running it. Yeah, now the console is ready to take the input. So I am giving my name as an input, and here you can see user input is Abby. Abby is the input value that is saved into input variable as a string format. Now if you want to take the variable as int, that is called as integer, you can take the value as int as well. Here we can use next int method, and next int method will return a int value. And here we can do the same thing. Run this and we will see what will happen. It is asking for to save the class, so click on yes. Now console is ready to take the input. Give the input like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 I have given here, and then you need to click on enter. Now you can see here user inputted is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like I have given here as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as the input. You can see the color 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is in green color, which indicates that it is a user input, and output is in black color. But it will be complicated if I will give any collection of alphabet. Like I am saving in it integer, but ABCD is not the integer. So if I give the alphabet as an input and then I click, then it will show an exception, the input mismatch exception, which means the input can contain an integer value, but we are giving here as an alphabetic value. So for this, we can do now pick int line and save it in string variable. We will run it again to see what will happen if we will give any numerical value here. Console is ready. Now I am giving numerical value here. So you can see here there is no problem, there is no exception here, and it printed the output. Because string can be anything. String can be an alphabet, string can be a numeric value, string can be alphanumeric value. So you can give any of the value as a string. So this is all for this video. Thank you very much to watch this video. We will meet in the next video. Bye bye.